make sure that everybody around you is straight, and they're going to make sure that you're straight.
What is it that is allowing you guys? Is there a piece of software right now, or is it the people? Is there a system in particular that's helping you guys do all that you're doing? I always like to know what things are that people are using to maybe share with others. Is there a specific application or something that comes to mind, or software that has helped you guys just tie it all together?
No, man. As cliche as it may sound, yeah, it's that golden rule, man. Doing unto others, and if you make sure that everybody around you is straight, and they're going to make sure that you're straight. So we just try to make sure that everybody on our team, that we're helping them make their goals, we're helping them accomplish what they want to accomplish, and it's just helping us get to new heights. But we don't really have any fancy applications and proprietary software or anything like that.